All right. So, a very exciting day today. We're launching Rust based interactive labs. The reason for this is that we feel like Rust is a great language, but it has a little bit of difficulty in getting maybe your environment set up. And we want to show people how powerful it is. And so, we've launched these interactive labs. Let's go ahead and take a look. I go to this URL here, ds500.paiml, go to the code repo, and then when I click on launch lab here, what happens next is we launch a full Visual Studio browser environment, and you can open up a terminal, you can compile code, you can also go to all the examples that we've got for you here and look through them, edit them, and really we have a full environment for you to develop in, and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to set up Rust, you don't have to install Rust. It's all set up for you, and we've got comprehensive examples with documentation on how to build it. So this is an amazing day for Pragmatic AI Labs. I hope you can enjoy this future. And up next, we're not done. We're going to also be launching GPU-based labs. So help support our mission to democratize education. We have over 3 master's degrees worth of content on our platform. I hope to see you sign up.